In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate in Excel. If you've ever received a spreadsheet in another language or need to share your data with colleagues across different regions, Excel's built-in translator makes it quick and reliable. I'll walk you through the process from the top ribbon so you know exactly where to find it and how to make the most of the options you'll see on screen. Start by looking at the ribbon along the top of Excel. You'll see tabs like Home, Insert, and Data. The one you want is Review. This tab is designed for checking and refining your workbook, and it's where Excel groups together language tools including spelling, comments, and translation. Clicking Review gets you into the right place without hunting through menus. Inside the Review tab, look for the Translate command. It usually sits alongside other proofing tools. When you click Translate, Excel opens a translation pane on the right side of your screen. This pane is your control center. It displays the source text and the translated result side by side, so you can immediately see what will change before you commit to it. If you already have a cell with text active when you open the pane, Excel will typically pick it up automatically. If not, simply keep the pane visible as you navigate your worksheet so you can preview translations as you go. Next, choose the languages in the translation pane. At the top, you'll see the source language. Excel can often detect it automatically, which is helpful when you're working with mixed content. Below that, set the language you want to translate into. As soon as you select a target language, the preview updates so you can verify accuracy and tone. This step is where you tailor the translation to your audience, whether that's for internal notes, customer-facing labels, or data headings. A few quick tips as you work. The translator focuses on text. It won't alter formulas or number formats, so your calculations and structure remain intact. Because the translation service is cloud-based, a stable internet connection helps ensure fast, high-quality results. For best clarity, keep your source text concise and avoid abbreviations that might not translate well. And remember to avoid placing confidential information into any translation workflow. That's all there is to it. Open the Review tab, use the Translate command to bring up the side pane, and select the languages you need. With these tools, you can make your spreadsheets more accessible and collaborative in just a few clicks.